how to add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 11. So first things first, bring up Google Chrome and open up Google Calendar. Once you have Google Chrome and Google Calendar open, you want to press the three little dots in the top right hand corner here. Now if you have an older version of Google Chrome, come down to More Tools and you should see Create a Shortcut. If you're on the latest version, you should see Cast, Save and Share. And this is where Create a Shortcut will be. So press that, whichever way you get to it. We'll just take this out and leave Google Calendar, then select Create. It's here on our desktop, it's telling us, so if we access away, here is our shortcut, double click it, and there you go, straight to the Google Calendar. So that's how to add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.